Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shoplista. Today I will be showing you different recipes that include quinoa. According to WebMD.com, the fiber in quinoa can help with cholesterol and blood sugar levels, lowering your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Quinoa is rich in antioxidants, which can prevent damage to your heart and other organs. A diet high in antioxidants has been linked with a decreased risk of heart disease. These recipes include different veggies and different types of protein. Let's see the recipes that I made together. The first recipe is a quinoa lettuce wrap. This wrap contains quinoa, brown rice, black beans, and scrambled eggs with bacon and broccoli. This wrap is a great way to eat your veggies, grains, and protein all at once. You can also add cheese to add some dairy to your dish. The next dish that I've made was this small and easy dinner recipe. This recipe includes quinoa, sliced cherry tomatoes, and an egg salad. You can find pre-made egg salads in supermarkets or find a recipe online. My egg salad contains hard-boiled eggs, boiled potatoes, and boiled carrots. I boiled the carrots and potatoes already peeled and chopped, which makes an easy assemble. This next dish is for your cheat day. This dinner plate contains quinoa topped with red beans, fried chicken, a small slice of pizza, and some slices of avocado. You can still eat your healthy carbs while still giving yourself a treat of fried chicken and pizza. You can also have quinoa for breakfast. Here is my breakfast recipe. This recipe only has quinoa and scrambled eggs with shredded carrots, white onions, and turkey sausage for flavor and protein. This is how you can have a high-protein breakfast. This dish has a lot of veggies that hopefully you will enjoy. It will help you with fast weight loss because of ingredients with high fiber and high in water content. This dish includes quinoa wrapped in steamed cabbage, watercress, radish, tomatoes, and carrots. This dish fills you up fast without the extra calories. Thanks for watching this video. If you consider trying one of these recipes, leave a like on this video and share it with your friends. I am trying to reach 15,000 views and 50 subscribers in 2 days. We are so close. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. I post videos almost every day, so you don't want to miss any of them. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.